What is the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you guys with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Probably already know by the thumbnail. Thumbnails always give it up. But yeah, man, picked up a seat for the Low Rider. See the seat off, and it is from, boom, Bad Boyz Cyclez. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I am a diehard Saddlemen fan. Like I love Saddlemen. I've been running nothing but Saddlemen seats. No issues, no complaints. Especially that Saddlemen Tuck Roll SDC, one of the best seats I've ran. But when I build the O2 Roll Glide, here it is. Giveaway still live. Let me plug that real quick. Giveaway still live. Head over to nospeedlimit.com. Scan that QR code. Get you an entry to the giveaway. And hopefully we could get this thing sold out. Get this thing into somebody's garage this summer. But yeah, when I build the O2 Roll Glide, I tried out something different. Sly Fox seat. Being honest with you guys, one of the best seats I've ever ridden. That Sly Fox seat, find it extremely comfortable. I put a nice amount of miles on it on a single ride, well, single sit-in, single day, whatever you want to say, but great seat, no complaints from me. That being said, I have been seeing Bad Boyz Cyclez. They've been going crazy, man. Like customization on seats and everything has been absolutely insane. Like, by all intents and purposes, what I've seen on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that, man, like the quality looks crazy good. So I reached out to the homie Eli over there. Wanted to see if I could customize my own seat, make my own seat with them. So on the website, so they have the website and you can customize, but it's very limited. I suggest you reach out to him or email, DM, anything like that, the company itself. But yeah, I reached out to him, discussed making a seat. Very helpful, answered all my questions. Anything I had, I had to know or wanted to know. Anything I asked, he helped out, helped with everything. Got the seat ordered. Took a little while to ship, but very responsive. He told me like, man, we're backed up. It's gonna be a while. Got so many orders, man. You guys go check them out on Instagram. I'll post the Instagram here, but like the quality is crazy. My boy Eric picked up a seat for his new Roll Glide from him. Quality's A1. I also saw another bike running their stuff over at Harrison's Custom Cycle when they had the open house. Somebody that was running their seat, and then the backrest for the King Pack, and quality looked A1. So that being said, I ordered my own seat, custom made it. As you can see, the box is still taped up. I have not even opened it, so I don't know how this seat's gonna look. I just know from what we discussed on what I wanted on the seat. So I have an idea, but haven't actually seen it in person. Long story short, I'm gonna open it up, compare the quality, the build quality to my Saddlemen Tuck Roll, which I love this seat actually. Like the quality on this seat, materials and everything, carbon fiber, everything, stitching, A1. You got the soft bottom, A1, stitching A1, little rubber stuff here, A1, everything A1. Nothing bad to say about Saddlemen. Just wanted to try something different and somebody that allows a little bit more customization than Saddlemen. They've been doing some crazy stuff, man. If you go over there, check the Instagram out, just check all the seats that they've been working on, man. They've been going crazy. Like, that's all I can say. They've been going crazy. But without further ado, let's open this box up. You guys will be, looking at this thing for the first time with me. Right off the bat, we gotta get our handy dandy knife. I did have the fan going, but it's hot as hell in the garage. Turned that off, so hopefully my audio wasn't too bad on the introduction. But yeah, let's open this thing up, man. Like I said, I haven't even looked at this thing. We're gonna look at this in real time together. Got some goodies in here too. Go check them out. Fire little banner here. Saddlemen never sent me a banner, and I spent a lot of money with you guys, man. I've spent a lot of money with you guys, Saddlemen. What's going on? Little seat bolt, little wrench and stuff, little bottle opener. Got a couple stickers. You know we love those. Box out of the way. I think that's it. But throw that there. And this looks good. This is looking absolutely good. You guys know the brand I'm building over here, No Speed Limit. Go grab some merch, nospeedlimit.com. But here's the seat. It looks absolutely nice. I do like that it is not straight up. It does have a little bit of tilt, which I love about the SDC. I will say the pan looks a little bit wider on the Bad Boy seat than the Saddlemen. Actually looks significantly wider. So that might be a little bit better, like more comfy on longer rides. I did opt for all leather on this one. I wanted kind of all leather, clean look. And then we have this gripper material on the back to kind of lock you in. And then we have the red Bad Boyz. I believe they're like Old English double B here. And then we kept it simple, nice clean seat. But we went with the No Speed Limit logo stitching up here, and that came out really nice. Looks really good. So right off the bat, build quality, man, is just as good as Saddlemen. Stitching is really great. Pipe, look, there's a red pipe in here. It looks really good. I like a black seat, but I wanted little hints of red. Not too much red on it. Definitely wanted the logo there because that's the brand we're building. Right off the bat, you don't have the lining that the Saddlemen has on the bottom, but you do have the rubber grips here. So Saddlemen does have, let's turn it over, let's check the back out. So you see Saddlemen has the little carpet on the bottom of their pan. This is nice on the Saddlemen. Would have been nice if they had the carpet on here as well. As of right now, I think that's the only thing I see the Saddlemen has on it is the carpet on the pan. But other than that, quality looks really good. Would love to see the carpet on there, but you know, other than that, I'm liking the way it looks. Everything looks nice and clean. All right, let's get it on the bike. All right, off the rip, ignore the front end of the bike. If you guys follow the channel, you know that I am a person that cannot leave well enough alone. So the Low Rider is under construction once again. But fit, spot on. I don't know if you can see, but the little BB. We won't really know till we put some miles on it. So we're gonna go ahead and leave that on there because we're gonna rock out with this seat and get some seat time on it and see how we like it. Try something different. Definitely feeling the finish on it. I think it looks really good. So what I will be doing is wrapping the Saddlemen up so we can rock the Bad Boyz Cyclez seat for a little while and see how we like it. I got the little chef cap. You guys worked in a restaurant, you know exactly what I'm talking about. These little when you work in a restaurant, you put these little caps on. But it's actually kind of nice because it snaps right over the seat. Give you guys a video on how it looks. Just wanted to show you guys a different option. Like I said, they've been killing the game right now with different seats. I know a bunch of their stuff they've been selling has been a lot of touring seats, but they do make stuff for the soft tails. This is one of them for the soft tail. So like I said, Bad Boyz Cyclez, go check them out. Shout out to the boy Eli over there, man. Appreciate you working with me, bringing my vision to life and getting a dope seat that I hopefully I enjoy, and I'm happy with the way it performs on the road. But other than that, man, appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Man, my subscribers have been going crazy the last 2 weeks, man. I really appreciate that, man. My views are up, watch hours are up, subscribers are up. Like, man, it's crazy, man. I feel the love out there. I really appreciate you guys. It's your guy, Will, No Speed Limit Garage. Signing out. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.